Hello students, welcome to Alan Overseas. In this video, we'll be learning how we can reduce few of the questions to quadratic form. And once we reduce that to quadratic form, we can easily solve. Like in our earlier videos also, we have seen how we can convert few of the different kind of equations to quadratic form. If you have missed those videos, then we are providing links for those videos in the description box. So just check them away after this video. Well, now just look the kind of questions which you will face which are very difficult to solve definitely, but if you reduce them to quadratic, then they will be very easier. Like here, if you see x plus a, x plus b, x plus c, x plus d, all these linear terms are in product, and you have here plus e equal to 0. And whenever you solve such kind of question, you should see that few coefficient sum should be equal to actually other two coefficient sum. Like here, if you just look, you will come to know that b plus c means the coefficient of this b and this c sum should be equal to this coefficient a and this coefficient d. So whenever this kind of stuff happens, then we can easily solve such kind of questions, reducing them to quadratic. So let's see with the example how we can convert them to quadratic and solve them. So the question here is x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4 and minus 120 equal to 0. Okay, so here we have four linear factors in product. What are those coefficient which you see here are having some same? Like if you just look here, 2 plus 3 is 5 and 1 plus 4 is also equal to 5. So what I'll do to solve this kind of question, I'll just take x plus 1 and x plus 4 together, and then x plus 2 and x plus 3 later. So I have clubbed these two together and these two together, and minus 120 equal to 0. So let's see what happens now if I just take a product of these two brackets. So I'll get here x square plus 5x plus 4, and in this bracket I'll get again x square plus 5x plus 6 and minus 120. And this is very interesting here that you are getting this x square plus 5x term again and again. So you can just put this x square 5x as t. So after putting x square plus 5x as t, what you get? You get this bracket as t plus 4, and this second bracket you get t plus 6 and minus 120 equals to 0. Now if you just multiply these two brackets now, you will get what? You will get t square plus 10t and then plus 24 and minus 120 equals to 0. So you are finally getting here t square plus 10t and 24 minus 120 will be minus 96 equal to 0. So what are its factors? If you just imagine, you will come to know that the factors to this will be t plus 16 and t minus 6. Okay. Now the product of these two factors is 0, means t plus 16 will be 0 and t minus 6 will be 0. So let's solve this here. T plus 16 will be 0 or t minus 6 will be 0. If t plus 16, if you take 0, means what exactly you are taking? Because t plus 16 0 means x square plus 5x plus 16 is 0. So here in place of this t, if I put x square plus 5x plus 16 equal to 0, I'll get any solution? What do you think? I'll not get any solution, because for this quadratic equation, if you just check its discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac, which is called as discriminant of the quadratic equation, that goes negative. Therefore, for this quadratic equation, I will not get any solution. So I'll not get solution. So no solution to this quadratic equation. But for the second quadratic, linear equation, that is t minus 6 equal to 0, in place of this t, if I again put, because my t is x square plus 5x, so what I get, let's see. So in place of this t, if I put x square plus 5x and then I have later minus 6 equal to 0, and this quadratic equation can now be easily solved, and you will come to know that after solving this, you are getting two solutions. One solution will be minus 6 and other solution will be 1. Okay. So these are the two results or two solutions you are getting. So we have solved this equation in x, which has here 4 linear factors. So if you just multiply these 4 factors, we will get a 4-degree equation, which is a 4-degree polynomial, and solving that will be very difficult, but considering and putting something as t, we have reduced it to quadratics. So that's the beauty of reducing it to quadratic, so that we can easily solve this. I hope you understood this. Now let's see another kind of questions wherein again we can reduce to quadratic, like very similar type of question we see, but we can even convert it to again quadratic. Here we again have 4 linear factors if you just look, but finally we do not have a constant. Like earlier there was 120, right, in earlier question, but here we have again ex square term. So whenever we get like this kind of questions, what should we do? So whenever we come across such kind of question and we see that there is product of two constants, like here if you just see the product of a and another constant, suppose d, is equal to product of this b and c. So earlier the sum was same, now here product is same. So whenever we get a product is same, then we should substitute x plus ad by x as t, and to get that divided by x term we need to divide both of the sides by x square to get its solution. So I'll tell you that with example. So let's see the example on this type. So we have here question x plus 1, x plus 2 whole square, and what is x plus 4. So if I write it like this, x plus 1, x plus 2 whole square can be written as x plus 2 into x plus 2 suppose, and then I have here x plus 4 equal to 2x square. Now you know what, this x plus 2, x plus 2, if you just take them together, and x plus 1 and x plus 4 if you take together, why? Because here the x plus 1 has coefficient 1 and here the last constant term is 4. So product of 1 and 4 is 4, and product of this 2 and 2 is 4, and we also have here x square term, not a constant term. So definitely it is a type 2 which we are learning now. So what should I do now? So just club these two factors together. So what I'll do here, I'll take this x plus 1 and x plus 4 together, and this x plus 2 and x plus 2 together, means x plus 2 square, and we have here on the right side 2x square. So after taking a product of this, what I'll get? I'll get x square plus 5x plus 4, and here I'll get x square plus 4x plus 4, and here I have 2x square. Now divide this equation by x square. So after dividing by x square, what do you do? On the right side you just get 2, but on the left side you divide both of these brackets by x and x. It does mean that you are eventually dividing x square on left side and x square on right side. So if you divide this bracket by x, then you get here x plus 5x by x will be just 5 and 4 by x. And in this second bracket you again get x plus, because x square by x is x, 4x by x will be 4 and 4 by x you will get. And interestingly you will come to know here that you have x plus 4 by x in this bracket as well as that x plus 4 by x in another bracket as well. So why not put this x plus 4 by x as t? So now to solve it further, put x plus 4 by x as t. So let's see what our equation becomes. So once we put x plus 4 by x as t, we will get something like this. This will become t plus 5. So the first bracket will become t plus 5, because x plus 4 by x is t plus 5, and this will become t plus 4. And on the right side, what do we have? 2. So when we take a product of those two brackets, I'll get here t square plus 9t plus 20, and that minus 2 I'll get here 18. Getting? So t square plus 9t plus 18 equal to 0 is the quadratic equation I am getting, and the factor to this will be what? T plus 6 and t plus 3 equal to 0. So you'll get either t plus 6 equal to 0 or t plus 3 equal to 0. But you know your t is what? Your t is x plus 4 by x. So in place of t, wherever there is t, like here we have t, so in place of this t I can put what? X plus 4 by x plus 6 equal to 0. And in another equation what I get? In place of again t, what I can put? X plus 4 by x plus 3 equal to 0. So let's see after solving what we get. So if I multiply this equation by x, I'll get a quadratic equation x square plus 6x plus 4 equal to 0. And if I solve this quadratic equation after multiplying x, what I'll get? X square plus 3x plus 4 equal to 0. So can you imagine which of these two quadratic equation will have solution and which of these two will not have solution? Like if you just check here, the discriminant of this quadratic equation is going negative, therefore it will not have any solution, no real solution. But if you solve this and you use minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac formula, definitely you will get the solution. So what will be the solution to this? So the solution to this question will be x equal to minus 3 plus or minus root of 5. So this is the solution you should get for this second quadratic equation. Okay, so that's how we got to know that the solution to these equations are what? Minus 3 plus root 5 or minus 3 minus root 5. So these are the two real solutions we are getting. Though this question was not looking like a quadratic equation, but using this type and concept, we have reduced it to quadratic. I hope you have understood this, guys. We'll be coming up with more such videos in future definitely, but now I have a question which is a homework question for you. You need to solve this yourself. And let me know if you have any doubts in this question. And if you get the solution, then just don't forget to give your answers in comment box so that we can definitely revert you back. Okay, so that's all here on the reducible to quadratic from my side. So if you have any doubts, queries, suggestion, you can definitely put your suggestions in comment box. We'll surely revert you back. Well, that's all. Be connected with Alan Overseas for more such beautiful videos on JEE. Thank you.